A Taiwanese story from earlier this week said that Asus might discontinue its Zenfone smartphone series after the current generation, but Asus denies it. In a short statement released today, Asus states unequivocally that the Zenfone product line will continue and that the Asus Zenfone 10 won't be the final item in the range. We want to dispel the myth that the Asus Zenfone product line will be discontinued and that the Asus Zenfone 10 will be the last version of the series. That is untrue. Our two primary phone product lines, the ROG phone and the Zenfone, will remain in production. The smartphone industry and our consumers are very important to Asus. For further details, please refer to our Q2 results call. Please pay attention to our product lineups for 2024. Asus is directly stating that both product lines will continue, and there is even a tease of 2024 product lines, in contrast to a recent report that suggested that the company would only discontinue its Zenfone line and combine those resources into the ROG phone. Though it's crucial to keep in mind that it'd be rare for the business to confirm such a claim, particularly given that the Zenfone 10 is only weeks away from a debut in the United States, this reaction rather plainly puts an end to the idea. Just weeks before things came to an end, LG, as an example, firmly denied speculations that one of its last devices had been shelved and that its smartphone industry as a whole was in peril.